We have with us Mr. Vighnesh Chavan, Sales Director, Dover India Private Limited, PSG, and Prakash Indoria, General Manager, PSG India, Dover India Private Limited. Good afternoon, both of you.
Good afternoon.
Prakash, if you can talk about Dover India and what does it focus on?
Okay. So hi, we are Dover India Private Limited, which is a subsidiary of Dover Corporation, listed in New York Stock Exchange, and we have multiple variety of the business, whereas multiple 5 segments are there. Out of that, one of the segment is the PSG Group, which is Pump Solution Group. In that PSG Group, we are handling in the business in PSG from 2009. Our factory has been installed, and we are doing the manufacturing as well as assembly of multiple segment of the pump and compressor. Out of that, we have brands start alphabetically from ABAC and end up with Wilden. So we have huge variety of the product, which is like PT, peristaltic series of pumps are there, and we have multiple variety of application. So with respect to application, I'll move it forward to Vighnesh, who will give an update about the application. Then we'll move forward our strategies and what we wanted to focus on 2026, considering India's growth and GDP growth of around 8%, so which is having a potential growth in India, definitely. Yep.
Vighnesh, if you can talk about the application of these pumps, you have I see a huge variety of
Yeah,
with different brand names.
sure.
So how do you look at
Okay,
the sectors which you are focusing?
sure. I will rather say that, Dover has the product which works from proteins to petrol. The proteins is like, we work for the bio sectors. The products what comes into the bio sectors are the Quatraflow, MTech. Those are the products. These are basically the pumps which are used for the vaccines. And when I say petrol, we have got the Blackmer pumps and compressors, which are being widely used for the LPG transfer, which are for the CO2 transfer. Those are used in the tanks and all those kinds of things. We have got a product called as Wilden. Wilden is basically 70 years old diaphragm pumps. They are the inventor of the AODD technology, and Wilden pumps is globally #1 product. What we say in Wilden is that we basically bleed orange. So this is what actually, when it comes to the Wilden, the brand is so strong that we have got a global presence. You move to the ships, you move to the chemical plants, you move to the farmers, everywhere you will have those the orange colors actually building up. We have products like Almatech. Almatech is also the globally product #1. It comes from Germany. These are pumps used for highly aggressive liquids, highly aggressive acids, those kind of things. So we have those kind of brands. A very, very powerful brand is what we see here.
And do you manufacture these models in India?
Yeah, of course, yes. We do manufacture here in India. We have our 40 to 50% of things coming from outside India. Then we assemble here in Chennai, so that the main moving parts are from Europe and all the Asian countries. What we have, the non-moving parts is that what we do here. The assembly, the testing, the quality check, everything is done from India. Not only this, but also the service support is done by India. So it's not only sales what we look after, we also look for the after sales market for India.
And what is the capacity of these pumps?
Oh, you see the Wilden pumps. Wilden pumps can go up till roughly about 70 to 80 meter cube per hour pumps. Blackmer pumps are huge. I have around 6-inch to 8-inch pumps, which can give you roughly about 300 to 400 meter cube per hour pumps. It's not only liquids, but we can handle gases too. I'm proud of it. Yes.
And how rugged are these pumps?
Wow. That's a fantastic question, sir, you have asked. Thank you so much. We have been to the ships, I think a month or two back, and I still remember we saw Blackmer pumps in the ship, which was working for around 80 years old. The ships were brought from US. It was 80 years old. So that's the thing which I can say. If a pump can work with 80 years old only by replacing few wearing parts like the mechanical seal, these are rugged pumps, highly rugged pumps. I have seen it.
Prakash, would you like to add anything from you?
Yeah, definitely. As Vignesh has mentioned, we are importing some of the parts because we always prefer the quality, best quality in the industry. With that, considering that concept over here, as our Prime Minister Modi ji has mentioned, Make in India. We are going toward Make in India, and we are keeping the same standard which is maintained in US. We are making Make in India. We are going forward that, which is our future strategy in India, and we are going to make it big success. That I'm pretty sure.
What is the run rate that you do have in another 2 months' time? You would be closing the financial year, and what are your plans for 2000 FY 26-27?
Okay, so giving, I am not, I cannot share the financial numbers. Yes, definitely not. But yes, we usually close December. Our period is from January to December, and we have successfully closed with almost 12% of the business increase. And 2026 and with even 2025 was a lot of trouble in the market with tariffs and Trump tariffs and a lot of disturbance in the global supply chain. But I can see the 2026 and 2027 is highly promising. And with the segment of oil and gas, I can see a lot of new projects are coming to India. With CO2 and ammonia application, we have read the news, a lot of global connects as well as investments are coming to India into this particular industry. So yes, we have our products which serve to those market, and definitely we are going to boom.
Are you also looking at hydrogen because they also require a lot of pumps in the longer run?
Yes, we have a recent acquisition hydrogen and our nitrogen related. We had acquisition that Cryomac, which will be soon coming to India and will be well placed in the market.